Last year, my video on the best free PDF editor, PDFGear, got a lot of attention. Many of you made the switch and have been loving the freedom from expensive subscriptions. But it's been almost a year since I made that video, and that's a long time in the tech space. So, the big question, is PDFGear still the undisputed best free alternative to Adobe Acrobat Pro for PDF editing? Let's find out. For those who are new here, PDFGear stormed onto the scene as a powerful and, more importantly, completely free alternative to giants like Adobe Acrobat Pro. It offered a surprising number of pro-level features without the price tag. And we're talking about editing text and images, converting to and from various formats, merging and splitting documents, and so much more. One of the biggest questions I received on my last video is, how is it free? We will cover that and much more after you check out today's sponsor. Are you using an unregistered version of Windows 11? Then you need to check out keysfan.com. Keysfan offers a wide range of products including Windows 11, Windows 10, and even older versions like Windows 7. Need Office software? They got you covered with keys for Office 2019 and Office 2021. And here's the best part. You can save big with exclusive coupon codes by using my code RK250 to get 50% off all Windows series. That means you can get Windows 11 Pro for less than $20. But wait, there's more. For Microsoft Office, use my code RK262 to get a massive 62% off. Buying is super easy. Just add your chosen product key to your cart, apply the coupon code, and pay securely via PayPal or credit card. You'll receive your genuine activation key in no time. Once you have your product key, go back to the activation page, click on Change Product Key, enter the product key you just purchased, and click Activate. Be sure to check out keysfan.com. PDFGear has a lot of features. Let's run through them real quick. PDFGear is a free AI-powered PDF editor and reader available across multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and web browsers. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for editing, converting, annotating, and managing PDF documents without any cost, watermarks, or usage restrictions. Key features include full PDF editing. PDFGear allows users to edit existing text, add new content, insert images, and modify elements within PDF files, maintaining formatting similar to Microsoft Word. Leveraging GPT technology, the integrated Copilot assists users by performing tasks like summarizing documents, extracting information, and executing commands through a chat interface. The built-in optical character recognition, or OCR, feature enables the conversion of scanned or image-based PDFs into editable and searchable text, supporting over 30 languages. Users can merge, split, compress, annotate, sign, and convert PDFs to various formats such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and image files. Let's talk about two concerns from the previous video, and that's AI functionality and the skepticism of this software being free. Regarding AI, PDFGear has an embedded Copilot like Adobe Acrobat Pro, but you can disable it. I personally don't use the AI features. I've been using this software for over 10 months now, and I disabled the Copilot on day one. I'm not necessarily recommending against it. It's probably a good tool, but disable it if you're concerned. Just go to settings and it's right there. Done. As far as the cost, their website explains in detail how they operate and plan to charge for advanced AI and cloud features in the future. And you can read all about it right there. It's not hidden. For me, I'm happy with a desktop application that can actually edit text and images for free. I'm not going to some free website where I have to upload my personal documents, deal with timers and daily limits, or watermarks just to edit a PDF. As long as these features remain free, I'll continue using the software. And these features have been free for 3 years now. You're not required to sign up for an account, provide your email address, or navigate through a free trial. Just download it and set it up. Check it out. I'm gonna head over here to Google, put in PDFGear, and it's the first link. Then I'm gonna come right here to free download. It's going to download in the top right-hand corner of my screen. Once that completes, I'll click it. It'll also be in your downloads folder. My language is English. I'll click OK. And I'm just going to click Next. I'm going to accept my agreement and click Next. I'm okay with that file path. I'll click Next. I'm going to click Next for the Start menu location. Check the box if you don't want it on the Start menu. I'm going to remove the Quick Launch shortcut and just keep a desktop shortcut. And I'm going to click Install. I'll go ahead and click Finish. Okay, from this screen here, you have your Hot Tools, Convert from PDF, Convert to PDF, Merge and Split, All Tools. You will not see the Settings menu from this screen. You actually have to open a PDF file or go to New PDF. We'll go to New PDF here. And the first thing I'm going to do is up in the top right hand corner, I'm going to change this to a dark theme for myself. And then I'm going to come here under Help, go to Settings, and I'm going to turn off PDFGear Copilot. You can keep it on if you choose. I just don't have the need for it. I use other AI tools. And if we go back to the home screen, we can see our OCR tool. We have our edit screen, edit text, edit object, add text, add image. Let's open up an actual PDF. I'm going to get out of this one. I don't need to save. Let's open PDF file. We'll open this one. And you can see right here, we can edit images. We can rotate the image. OCR will pull the text from the image. We can delete it, we can replace it with another image, and we can exit image editing mode. If we come down here to our text, we can in edit mode up top here, go to edit text, then we can in fact edit our text here. Let's close this out and let's convert something. Not gonna save that. Okay, so let's convert from a PDF to a Word document. I'm gonna add file. There's the file we've been playing with. Just gonna go ahead and hit convert. And here's my file. And it is in fact a Word doc. Although I'm using LibreOffice Writer and not Microsoft Word, it's still converted over just fine. And we would be able to edit just like a Word document. And you get the idea. Full feature PDF editor. Listen, there's no doubt Adobe Acrobat Pro still boasts some incredibly advanced features for professionals in specific industries. But for the vast majority of users, students, small business owners, and everyday individuals, PDFGear offers more than enough power to handle their PDF needs. And when you factor in that PDFGear is free, the value proposition is just undeniable. What are your thoughts? Have you been using PDFGear? Drop me a comment below. If you know of another tool that is as full-featured and free as PDFGear's desktop application, let me know that too. I'll make a video. If you found value in this video, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Check out some of these other videos that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy, and as always, thank you for watching, and until next time.